Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete draft campaigns in Mailchimp. If you've been building up multiple drafts that you no longer need, this quick process will help you clean up your workspace and keep your campaign list organized. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the Mailchimp homepage, log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access the account where your draft campaigns are stored. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Mailchimp dashboard. Look over to the left side navigation menu and click on Campaigns. This section houses all your email campaigns, whether they're sent, scheduled, or still in draft form. Clicking this will give you a complete overview of your campaign activity. Now, to make things easier and filter out only the drafts you want to delete, use the status filter at the top of your campaigns list. Click on it and select Draft from the options. This will display only your draft campaigns, making it much simpler to locate the ones you want to remove without scrolling through sent or scheduled emails. Once your draft campaigns are displayed, locate the specific draft you want to delete. Hover your cursor over the draft campaign, and you'll notice a small downward arrow icon appears next to the campaign name. Click on this arrow to open up a drop-down menu with additional options. From this menu, select Delete. This will remove that individual draft campaign from your account. Alternatively, if you have multiple draft campaigns you want to delete at once, there's a faster method. Click on the checkbox next to each draft campaign you want to remove. You can select as many as you need. Once you've checked all the drafts you want to delete, look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a trash bin icon. Click on this icon and it will delete all the selected draft campaigns in one go. This bulk deletion option is especially handy if you're clearing out several old drafts at once. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your draft campaigns in Mailchimp, giving you a more organized workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.